In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 amazing alternatives to Photoshop for generative fill for free. Yep, you heard me right. No Photoshop needed and free. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with some powerful tools to take your designs to the next level. Let's dive in. Hey everybody, this is Ali. In this video, I'll be showing you 4 ways to use generative fill without Photoshop. And the best thing is that you can use these tools for free. Generative fill is a powerful tool that can be used to add, remove, or replace objects in an image, or to expand the background of a photo. It's a great way to save time and effort and to achieve professional looking results. Alright, let's kick things off with our first contender, Photop. It's a fantastic web-based tool that mirrors many of Photoshop's features. And yes, it can handle generative fill like a champ, but that's just the beginning. We'll also explore Firefly, Clipdrop, and Leonardo AI, each with their own unique strength. So let's not waste any more time and jump right into it. First up, we have Photop. It's an incredible web-based image editor that can do almost everything Photoshop can, including generative fill, and the best part, it's free. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can get started right away. To use generative fill in Photop, simply head over to photop.com and then select open from computer. I have these images which I'm going to be testing. I have downloaded these images from Pixel, so we'll select one of these images, for example this one, and then select this one, crop tool, then uncrop it, make it bigger, just like that. Click on this check to confirm, and now select this rectangular select to select the missing areas, and then go down to the spot healing brush, right click on it, and then select the magic replace tool right here. So now you'll have the new content box. Write what you want to fill in here. So in this case, I want to have a background. So simply click on replace. This will ask us to pay $5 fee to get the premium membership, but in this case we want to use it for free, so just click OK, and then you will have to watch an ad and then get your result. So after you've watched the ad, click this to close it, and here's your result for this part. That looks great already. You can try again, of course, by clicking on replace to see different results. So let's fill in the other side. So go back to the rectangular select, and we'll select this area again and click on magic replace here, and then background and replace. Alright guys, so here's your results. That looks amazing, guys, and you can use it as many times as you want for free. Now let's talk about Firefly. Firefly is a standalone generative fill tool that is developed by Adobe. It is currently in beta, but it is already available for free. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, Firefly got you covered. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to use it to enhance your image effortlessly. Alright, so we head over to Firefly. Create an account if you don't have one, and go down to see this generative fill right here and click on create Firefly. Upload your image. In this case, I'll use this image. You can use the insert tool to insert what you want right here. For example, I want to insert clouds. Click on generate. And Firefly generated 3 options for us to use from. You can click on the plus icon right here to generate more results. So I like this one here. I'm going to keep it. Click on keep. To remove something from the image, simply select remove and select what you want to remove. So in this case, I want to remove this guy right here and select remove. And here's your result. That looks incredible. I'm going to keep the first one. If you want to remove the background from the image, simply click on background, and that will extract the background from the image. If that's not what you want, you can click on invert. Next up, we have Clipdrop. Clipdrop is a powerful image editing tool that can help you create professional looking images in seconds. It offers a wide range of features, including background removal, image upscaling, image cleanup, relighting, sky replacement, text removal, and reimagining. That's a lot to take, and they do offer a free version which comes with a few limitations, but we can still use the generative fill. Watch closely because I'm about to demonstrate how it works. To use Clipdrop, head over to Clipdrop, select this one, and scroll down to where you see the tools. There are a lot of tools right here, but the one we are interested in is the uncrop one, which is the replacement to the generative fill. So upload your image from here. In this case, I'll select this image, and then click on next to fill the blank areas. And as you can see, guys, here we have these options here, and they all look incredible. Last but not least, we have Leonardo AI. Leonardo offers up to 30 upscales per day for free, which allows you to use a generative fill tool that offers a number of advanced features, such as the ability to fill in missing pixels and generate realistic shadows and reflections. Stick with me because I'm about to show you how just mind-blowing this tool can be. To access Leonardo AI, search for Leonardo AI, select this one, and click on Launch App. Click on AI Canvas. You can tweak your settings from here. You can select the model. In this case, I'll keep it at Stable Diffusion 1.5. You can also change the number of images. In this case, I'll keep it at the default number, which is 2. And you can also change the sizing of your image. Click on this to upload your image. In this case, I'll select this image and click on Generate to fill in the blank areas. And here are your results. This is just mind-blowing, guys. I'll click on Accept to keep the first one. And here you have it, folks. 4 incredible alternatives to Photoshop for generative fill. Whether you choose Photop, Firefly, Clipdrop, or Leonardo AI, you now have a powerful set of tools to take your creative projects to new heights. Remember, you don't always need the most expensive software to create amazing things. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Thanks for watching and happy creating. God bless.